This is Jesus Manuel Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In this very short video, I'm going to be talking about my DJI Pocket #2, my personal, experiences. I bought this with my own $500 with the the Creator Combo, and I like it very much. It takes incredibly good video. The audio issues that I've had, even when you use it, when you press the button inside one of the functions and says, reduce wind noise, it doesn't really work for me because it's super windy where I'm at, and I get a lot of extraneous little noises which I don't appreciate in either of the modes, front, back, front, surround, etc., etc. And with that button pressed down to reduce wind noise, it still has issues. So what have I done? I've started to use the wireless mic, this little tiny contraption. I give it a good solid A. It's very good quality. It has a little wind muff. This does not have a wind muff. This has a wind muff. So I put it on my pocket here, and I go out and I shoot my video. One behavior that I've had develop over the last 6 years of my life shooting video, photography, and film is that I have a habit of, shooting like this. And I shoot to the right. I sort of stabilize myself and I shoot at an angle. And I do the same thing with the DJI Pocket too. I go like this, okay? And I shoot the video. So my head is pointed towards the camera. If the microphones of the camera worked, it'd be no problem. But the microphone's way over here, so it turns out muffled. So I have two options I can do. One is move my camera. In all probability, this is not going to happen because I've developed this habit of everything in my right hand for the last 50 plus 60 years almost. So that would be in line. Microphone, camera, and I can talk perfectly. But maybe I'll just have to put it over here or put it in the middle somewhere right about here and call it good. But right now, when I have it over here, it comes out muffled. This is Jesus Manuel Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm at Explore USA as usual because it's the nearest RV dealership to my house. So I do a lot of videos on their product line. So that's my main complaint that I've had of my methodologies. I have to, retrain myself and learn certain things. On my other cameras, I have the microphone on the top and I just twist it around and I talk, into it. But this one has the remote wireless mic because this does not work under windy and very noisy windy condition. In Texas and Oklahoma, they have a hell of a lot of wind, okay? So I really like this. Video quality is excellent. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to contact me. Over the last month, I've learned quite a bit. Please leave your comments, questions, concerns, below the description. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this modest little channel of mine. Thank you very much again. And if you have the time or the inclination or have the cash, go to my Patreon page. It's patreon.com/JMMGarza. Thank you very much ahead of time. From Fort Worth, Texas, talking about my DJI Pocket 2 that I bought with my own hard-earned cash. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye. Thank you.